All right, this is a Honda Rincon motor. This is how to remove the torque converter. So you can use the special tool from Honda, or this is a Harbor Freight 6-inch jaw puller. So it's a 3-jaw. The only thing that's difficult is the lip on the torque converter where you're going to grab with the puller is very thin. I mean, it's not thin, but it's just really short. And as you crank down on your puller, it's going to keep sliding off. The easiest way I found to doing this is to use a bungee cord and pull it really tight. Start here and stretch it all the way around and lock it on here. And as you're cranking, it's going to keep the jaw closed in. So in this motor, it has a someone reinstalled the timing chain guide. There's like a sleeve that the guide sits on and it rolls on, so that it rolls back and forth. They didn't put it in there; they just bolted it straight in. So the guide is too stiff. It's supposed to be free flowing. Anyway, this is how you do it. Bungee cord, 3-jaw puller from Harbor Freight, the 6-inch. Lock it on here, and it's the easiest way to pull it off. All right, I'm going to pull it off now. So halfway through, I'm going to have to readjust the bungee, but all right, put it on there, just hold it. There you go. I had already started it, but just to show you, once this keeps the tension on here, it forces the 3 jaws to clamp onto this little bitty bead, and a couple turns, and it's already freeing itself. Just to undo this. That was already loosened. And that's it.